Hello and welcome back. Today I want us to discuss about the more data or more advanced data whereby we shall be looking at or we shall be discussing or we shall actually be analyzing data about the colleges and the degrees they offer, and then how much when you get involved in such a, 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 a field you are expecting to get after you land in a job market. So now let's go to where we started, and I remember we were able to pin this. As we have seen, we are able to pin it in our taskbar, so you are not going to use a lot of time. But if you have in case forgot to pin, let me show you how to do it. You can just come here and search for Anaconda prompt, and it is here. You open it, and when you open it, it will show here. So you right click here, and you see I am already pinned mine. So when I pin it, if you did not pin yours, it will be like this. So you can just say pin to taskbar like that, and you are okay now. So next time you will not go all the way to search. You just come direct to the taskbar and you find something like this. You click it and open. Then you come here and say we want to run our Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. There is space between Jupyter notebook, and you can click enter and wait for the Chrome or your browser you are using to open the notebook. And mine, let me open it with this Chrome. If you have one Chrome, there is no problem, but if you have many, you have to do like that. So mine is still mine has not come. So because it was confused which Chrome to open, let me do it again. You can just, if you want to terminate, you just hold down Control and C. Then you see that is interrupted, and you go back. You can also type Jupyter Notebook and click enter again. So now it knows it is coming to open in this because the browser is open, as you can see, and this is my logo. So let me close this, and it's on. So remember we had the data folder that we started with. Remember we make dar and we call that data folder. So when you open this, you can see there is only two data, and this one is the previous that we had done. So when you open it, you can see this is the previous one that we already have. So we want another one. We want to now use more advanced. But this more advanced, we want to bring it here. How do we bring it here? We come here to the Explorer, and mine is in downloads. So this one, it will be on your downloads because I'm going to send it on our WhatsApp page. So you'll be able to download it, and then when you come here, download in your computer, you'll find it there, or wherever you want it to be. So mine is here. I need to change this name before I copy it to there, and salaries by college. Can I call it degrees? That can make more sense. Control Z. Let me call it on my own style then. Salaries underscore uni underscore per underscore career. Okay, that is CSV. Yeah? So I can now copy this like that and Control C, because I've already changed it. Now remember, when we created our folder, our data folder, it comes to the local disk C, and under users, my username is my user account is Charlo, and then this is the data that we had, and then I want to paste it here. So Control V. Now I can just do that like that, and I think we have not copied it right. Let me copy it again. Salaries, it's this one. Let me copy it again. Control C, and come to this one, users, Charlo, data, and I want it to be here. I can paste it now. It's not being copied. Right? Let me try it again. It is here. So let me use the long method. I copy it like that, and I come to local C, users, and then data. Then I paste it. Yeah, just come now. Now we have this data, and it's a CSV, and we have our notepad running here. It is under data. You can see that data that we have there. So the folder data, and then we need to open these salaries, universities per career, salaries, universities per career, and then you come here, you click new, and that matter in Python, and then you can import. This is just not new. Import pandas, SPD, and then we can Control Enter, and then we can now define def is equal to data frame is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV. This read underscore CSV is a method that calls a function that is able to read this file of ours in the notepad or in the notebook. So now the name of our, it is here. The name it is here. It is called Salaries Uni per Career. Salaries Uni per. Let me confirm the spellings, because if you miss a spelling, you miss everything. Dot CSV. So that is what we have, and now we want it to be displayed. So to display it, we just hit shift, we hold down the key called shift, and then we click enter, and after that there is no error. We just say df, this is called data frame, and when we also hold down shift key and click enter, you'll find we have our data frame that is having some of the careers offered in our colleges and universities, and also the salary. For example, let's just see how much, if I'm doing the data analysis, I'll be getting after finishing my career. So let me see, there is data science and mechanical engineering, data stroke, health, finance, computer science. This one. We also have, and there is no data analysis. I think data analysis is a branch can be found in computer science. Okay. Management and information systems, those are the things. Political science. So is actually it is within this computer science and computer engineering. So when you look at the starting point of computer science, which we are also learning about, it is about 55,900 starting salary. That is in form of dollars per year. And also we have a median salary there. We also have a percentile and so on. Those things we are going to cover as we go. But for now, we wanted to just know this is the data that we are going to use. Forget about the other one. So we can also change this title. Instead of title, we call it career. Or let me say uni. What happened? Say uni for university. University. Let me use salary. Career salary. Career salary. Let me make it like that. And then to name. So you can see university career salary, and we have changed the name of this file. And if you want to see how it is coming, it is here. So forget about this. This was just the first one. Now we shall be using this, and this is more organized and not just the demo. It is just something that is good. Now, next time we shall now start dealing with these and we are going to base our data science on this and more. If it changes, I will let you know, but for some more or about many lessons, we are not going to be using this data for the practice of data science. So let's meet you next time. Until then, it's goodbye.